Now I would say that's harassment. You hear it sound like frying eggs. There's only 2 people home, other than me and my daughter, that doesn't feel good just says she had a headache or head hurt. But I got pains in my heart again. And you hear this, that was me hitting it, not touching it. And you hear frying like eggs. Maybe they should stop trying to, use instruments of war that they're not supposed to be in possession of. Microwave and every other DW and anything else used on someone else, especially in their own personal space, is a war crime.